Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you've just gotten the iPhone 16 Pro or the iPhone 16 Pro Max with the new 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and you're wondering how do you take 48 megapixel pictures, that is what we're going to cover in this video. So, out of the box, if I take a picture with, say, the main lens and then I go to the ultra wide, I take these two pictures. Now, if we go to the Photos application and check out the pictures which we have just taken. This one here is from the Fusion camera, or the main 48 megapixel camera is only 24 megapixels. Similarly, the other one which we took with the ultra wide, this one here is 12 megapixels. What if you want to take 48 megapixel pictures with your iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max? All you have to do is you will go into settings. From the settings main page, you will go into camera. Herein, go into formats, then enable this toggle for Pro RAW and resolution control. Then go into Pro default and change this setting here to HEIF max. And once I do that, I can go back to my camera app, and herein on the top you will see the option of HEIF max. It is disabled by default. If I need to take a 48 megapixel picture, I am going to enable that option by tapping on that option. And now if I take a picture, let us turn off macro control for a second. Take this picture right here. This one is taken. Let us go to the ultra wide and we're going to take another picture. Now do note, with HEIF max your live photo option is automatically disabled, but let us go back to the pictures which we have just taken. So this here is the one which we took with the main camera or the Fusion camera, 48 megapixels, and this one here is the one which we took with the ultra wide. This one also is 48 megapixels. So that is how you take 48 megapixel pictures with the main camera and the new 48 megapixel ultra wide camera on the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now there is something strange which I have noticed. Let us go back to the camera app. HEIF max is enabled, which means I should be taking 48 megapixel pictures. Let us take a picture of this Rubik's cube over here, and we are in macro mode. So I take this picture, but if I go to this picture now and check out the resolution and stuff, it will be in 12 megapixels. Here it is, taken with the ultra wide with HEIF max in macro mode, but the picture is 12 megapixels. Even though on their website Apple advertises that you can now have 48 megapixel macro pictures. If you have a solution for this, do let me know in the comments on this video. Now of course, the obvious or the non-Apple solution would be to go into 0.5x and then get close to your subject and then take a picture. Now this one of course is going to be 48 megapixels, because that is what we have done. We have explicitly enabled 48 megapixel HEIF max, but in macro mode, why on earth is Apple not letting me take 48 megapixel pictures?